So, welcome to Muppet Labs at Tech Inc. The long-promised APC7921, or whatever the serial number was, modification with an ESP32 board, and this time with a PCB made by yours truly. It only took 3 times. I'm laughing with you, not against you. The ESP is below, then there's a PCB, which now actually has the right layout and the right orientation. It's connected to the relay board and the power supply. It reads the power supply inputs, combines the two 24 volts into one 24 volt that goes to the 3.3 volt regulator on there, and that feeds the logic board as well as the ESP underneath. So the PCB looks like that when it's not built in. We have a couple of spares, but we expect to use all of them. There's a little brace behind the whole thing to make sure that you don't push the connector into the device. We have 4 working at this point, and basically we have this one lovely master switch which switches this whole list of ports in one go, and the effect of that is about like that. You see it's quite responsive, everything works quite fine. We're very happy with that. Another nice thing that we get is the voltage measurement over all the power supplies in there, so you can see that they work and what their voltage is. So that's also really nice. So yeah, this is the promised update on the project. We'll publish the PCB designs, clean up the code a bit, clean up documentation, publish a couple of design files, and then this is good to go. Enjoy!